Squad.
It's your boy Ed.
It's your girl Lisa.
And today we're doing the
seafood mukbang. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Mukbang. Seafood mukbang. So we actually started before the video started, so don't get mad.
Ooh.
But
Okay.
I almost put my eye out. Before we get started, like and subscribe to our channel, post notifications, all that type of stuff. Yeah, no.
Yes.
Yes. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Comment down below.
It's my sign language. But yeah, anyway, I couldn't wait. So y'all, we kind of took too long. I've been waiting to eat this for a long time. So
we got snow crab legs and we have some shrimp. This is our like favorite food.
This that eat and go to sleep food and beat the kids food. This
is like always one of our favorites. Like we always have to get this every so often. Because who don't like snow crabs?
And we do it up, like we get the butter, put the butter in the microwave.
We used to buy it like from places already done or whatever.
They be half done though.
And
they don't be right.
Like we will always be dissatisfied. Like,
no, tell them how you always make me take your meat out for you.
Oh yeah.
So she don't know how to take the meat out, so I take the meat out for her.
Yeah, you take the meat out for me on the ones that are like hard. But we will order from places and like the shrimp will be soggy and stuff, and that is definitely not good. We even ordered from this one place and it tastes like old. The shrimp tasted old. And I was so upset.
Our best place to go is probably like a supermarket. If they mess them up there,
and do it ourselves.
Yep, and do it ourselves, because if they mess it up there, then at least we can fuss them out. But it's cool.
And you gotta have butter. Like,
if you don't have butter,
ciao.
if you don't got butter, you ain't doing it right. I don't know where that went at. That John is somewhere. Laney gonna find it later on.
It's so good. Like, who don't like seafood? People tell me they don't like seafood, they be like, I don't like seafood.
You lying.
I don't understand.
This right here make you eat and go right to sleep. Like,
you ain't going to sleep. You ain't going to sleep.
I'm still trying to find out where that meat went.
I hope you find it. You want to stink up the house.
No, it's just like it bounced off my shoulder somewhere. I don't know, but
I don't know what I got left.
what do you mean? It is on, man.
Like, I didn't know this part.
It don't matter.
You sure?
Somebody gotta eat it.
This is my favorite part.
You don't even not eat it. It's my favorite part.
It is, and I do. I don't know how to eat this one. Like, that part is hard.
All of this is my favorite part. She likes them little crabs. Them what you call them? The little ones. The
Dungery?
No, the ones we live. The little crabs, the ones they got there.
I don't know what they're called. But I do like those.
Blue crawl.
But he don't like to eat them.
I
mean,
like
I'm not
them.
crazy about them, but
They don't have enough meat. It's like you struggling just to eat. Like,
yeah. I don't know how to. Oh.
I love this. Yeah, see? And I just like that. I like to crack mine, put the meat in there, let it simmer in the butter. Don't eat, I know where my meat at. Don't eat my meat. But she also cooked too, so right, this little nonsense, I'm going right in on that food.
Alright, this is like a little snack. This is really like a little snack, bro.
No, listen, like you can buy. They don't care how many pounds of crabs you buy. You always gonna be hungry at least 2 hours later. This is not like real food. This is literally like a snack. It'll fill you up, but like you'll be way more hungry than you would if you was to eat a real meal.
Yeah, we went to this place in Jersey. I forgot what it was called.
It was good. Captain Hooks or something.
Captain Cats or something.
Yeah, I just made that name up, but that sounds better. Captain Hooks. We just gonna call it Captain Hooks.
It was Captain Cats. And they had like the bowls of like snow crabs, and you get it flavored like Old Bay or garlic and stuff like that. We went there and we had like a big bowl to ourselves each, and we was hungry like a little while after.
A little while after, like we was stuffed, but like an hour later after we got back, like in Philly, it was a wrap.
Yep. It's like you never ate. Like this is how I feel.
Like I could eat a cheesesteak and be fuller than I will be off of eating a whole bowl. The bowl was like real big, like, but it wasn't even. It was worth it though. It was worth the experience.
Yeah, it's for the taste.
But I honestly think like they be having all these places that like make good seafood and people be like, oh, it's good. But once you get there and you taste it, you be like, what? It be
I think
mediocre.
it just depends on the butter sauce. Like, for me, that defines the whole thing. And then how well the shrimp is cooked.
Yeah.
If you overcook the shrimp,
If you got mushy shrimp, I'm reporting your ass to the FDA or the food people. Them soft shrimp, like when you be trying to peel them and then you be peeling the shell off and the shrimp just fall apart. That's the worst. Like I feel like that's horrible. Like that is the worst. Like I don't even know how to explain it. It's just the worst. Like
yeah. Oh yeah, the battery about to die. The battery is about to die, but we just wanted to come on here while we eat our little snack, you guys, because we haven't been on here in a minute, so we definitely want to be like making some more videos and stuff like that, and see what's been up with you guys. But other than that, we're gonna finish eating our food and we're gonna check back in another video.
in a video,
Oh, you got stuff all on your face.
I'm feeding everything.
So, thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe, like, comment, and bye. You ain't gonna say nothing?
All that, what
Like,
she said, like and subscribe.
You
and
ain't
all
say
that.
nothing at all.
I'm just trying to get these shrimps done. But, you know, we appreciate y'all. We love y'all. Even though y'all more Team Me than Team Lisa.
Bye.
Appreciate y'all for watching, y'all. We out.